What's up, everyone? What's up? Today is a great day to check out some new gear. I have this Rode Wireless Go which just came. So let's do an unboxing. And so this is the box. Okay, I think I need to open tape here. No. Alright, so I'm just putting it out. Oh wow, look at that. So it comes with the pack. Let's put that right there and put this up. Another box. Okay. Right. There's a pouch. Nice. There's a booklet. There's the cable. And there's Winmuff, Dead Cat. Oh, cable. One more cable. Oh, you have two cables. Okay, because you need to charge two items. And that's one. Second one. Okay. So this is it. This is the Rode Wireless Go. So now we've seen the Wireless Go base. One of them is base, and the charging cable, and TRS to TRS, so you can connect that to the camera. So you can use this to connect to the camera, and this is a mic. And Winmuff, I think it goes here. Now the charging. Is it charging? Oh, USB-C. So is it USB-C? Yes. USB-C. USB-C. And the clip. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna charge this and take it out for a spin later. Okay, so come back to see the test of that one later. Okay, bye.